What's going on, guys? If you're viewing this video, either one of two things happen. Number one, you're probably one of my loyal subscribers, which I greatly thank you guys, and I really thank you guys for your patience with me. I haven't been too consistent when it comes to posting videos. Or two, this video was recommended to you by the YouTube algorithm for some reason. In either case, today's video is gonna be, I don't want to call it short and sweet, because there's really nothing sweet about it. Now, there really isn't much catching going on in this video, and to be quite honest, I was kind of questioning myself if I should post the video. But here I am. This video is going to kind of go over what I've been up to, why I haven't been posting any videos. Because I know for a little bit there, I was posting at least one video a week. And a lot of that stemmed around the tournament circuits, which I'm kind of taking a break from right now. I've taken a break from that and kind of focus my energy on other things in life. I've kind of focused my energy on other things, other hobbies, and I just haven't been fishing. I'm going to try and finish out the year, at least trying to go at least once a week, if not every other week. Hopefully we can stick to that plan, and we can keep the promise going. We can keep our promise. I'm not gonna say that's set in stone, that's how it's gonna happen, but we're gonna try our best. I'm gonna cut the yapping right now because you're gonna hear some more yapping in this video, so I don't want to just carry on. You guys can hear what the video has to say.
Fish junkie far and wide, lines in sync, lakes, oceans, on the brink. Fish junkie, living life real funky. Fish junkie, catching dreams real chunky. Got the tackle box, boost that shine. Fish on the line, feeling fine. Sunrise to sunset, plenty.
Start off right here with the, I don't know what brand. I think it's called a Ribbit. It's a topwater frog. Well, there's the first cast in probably 2 months. Been 2 months since I've come out fishing. So I think this thing is supposed to be like kind of like a buzz bait. The only thing I don't like, honestly, is this. The only complaint about this rod I can say is this. It's really minute. It's this hook keeper. See, it'll work with treble lures. Well, I know it's a jerkbait rod, so yeah, you're gonna be using it with primarily with lures with treble hooks. So it should work fine for that. But for like Texas rig, if I don't want to keep pulling my Texas rig baits in and out, pulling the hook out, it's a little bit of a pain. I got a topwater frog here, but I'll throw it when I see some mats that I can run it over the top. Because right here, it's not really many weeds here to run it over the top. I really don't like to fish I really don't like to fish from the bank, so I can't just, carry a rod and a reel with me. I like to have my kayak, so I can't really lug around my kayak too much. Have the trailer in the back or whatever. Can't really do that much because it's a little bit of pain in the ass to be carrying that around with me all the time. So I usually just keep my skateboard in my truck with a pair of shoes, and it's really convenient. I can just clock out for lunch. There's a few pretty cool skate parks there by where I work, so it's very convenient to just change my shoes out and everything and go skate for like 30 minutes. But yeah, the Lake Success tournament really screwed up my attitude towards fishing, I guess. The skateboarding, been doing a lot of that, trying to get better at that, and quite honest, it's more convenient than fishing is for me, because I really don't like to bank fish, so I can't just I love fishing from this kayak, so I don't really like fishing any other way. I really don't like to fish from the bank, so I can't just carry a rod and a reel with me. I like to have my kayak, so I can't really lug around my kayak too much. Have the trailer in the back or whatever. Can't really do that much because it's a little bit of pain in the ass to be carrying that around with me all the time. Towards fishing, I guess. My issue. Okay, so here's the story. I went into a tournament really excited. We were like, we love this lake. We love this lake. It's a really diverse, I guess you can say. You got your normal riprap, some rock piles. You got a bunch of trees, loaded trees you can fish in, and so yeah, there's like a forest back there. You can flip trees. See this cotton stuff here? It's from those trees over there. But yeah, stop going off on a tangent here. What really did me in was the weather. It was just freaking hot. And this shaky head. Take this shaky head off. Put a buzz bait. See even my jig right here had some cotton on it. Bait, buzz bait. Where are my buzz baits? Oh, they're in this new box where I'm planning to keep my swim baits and buzz baits. I don't know how the plastic one would sound. Where's that black one? My bunch of buzz baits. He found them and he thought of me, so he picked them up, I think at like a swap meet or something. Haven't really used them, but we're gonna use them today. That's a cool looking lure right there, huh? Oh, I like the way it sounds. Pretty cool. I've used one of these before, but it's been a while since I don't know what it's supposed to mimic. What kind of fish makes that noise? Tell you what's biting right now, those freaking mosquitoes. Ah, shit. Probably not the right action rod to be throwing this thing. I don't know, I've always had luck right here on this riprap with the crankbait. So I may pull that out. Not really fun watching though. See, I wonder if this thing skips. Nope, it does not. Sitting in about 5 feet of water right here. That heat is bugging right now. Alright. Put this down just for a little bit. The Senko under there, see what happens. Get the Senko under there. Forgot my face mask. It's in the truck, but forgot my face mask. Forgot my sunglasses. Forgot my gloves. I don't know what the hell that was. Kind of felt like a fish, but then it didn't. Oh, that's definitely a fish. I think he has it. It's a baby. It was a chiquito. I think I'm straight braid on this. I should tie a leader. Some more of that cotton. Oh, what is this? This feels good. Oh, he's alright. He ain't He ain't heavy, but that's it. Decent small keeper. Maybe I don't. I'm just gonna say about pound and a half. See if we can't find another one in there. Maybe a bigger one. I know you guys came here to see me chuck around the Cinco, so we're gonna keep doing it. Oh, maybe not. I need my sunflower seeds I haven't eaten yet. This is pretty much all I'm gonna have all day. I want to say all day. Probably gonna be out here. I'm gonna try to be out here for at least 8 hours. So good to get that skunk out though, like right away. Put this guy away. So we got one on the Cinco. Let's see if we can get one here on the. I'm pretty positive this will get bit. It always gets bit when I come fish on this side. Especially like in spots like this where there's riprap. And like I said, these square bills, they come to the grass pretty easy. I noticed that one trip at the Delta where I caught it was like a 5 or a 6 pounder on a KVD 1.5. I was noticing I'd kind of see the riprap there, so there would be riprap along the levee, and there's a clearing about 3-4 feet off of that, and then clumps of grass under the water. So the water was high tide, so I'd throw it up all the way against the rock, and then I'd swim it back or crank it back, get stuck in those weeds, and then kind of rip it through the weeds. And that's when I would get a strike. Little Junior. Come on, Junior, get off. So, you know, I've said it time and time again, my other hobby happens to be skateboarding, and I was kind of thinking of maybe starting a YouTube channel for that. Not like really good at it, but it's just something to do, you know, just like anything else.